Good morning, everybody. How are you today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life, I'm going to unbox a new box for my channel. It's a fairly new box this morning, and I think it's only been around a couple of months, but this is my first time getting this box, so I hope you'll stick around. Okay, so the box that I'm going to unbox is called The Box. Like I said, I think it's been around maybe 3 months now, and it cost you $19.99. The unboxings that I saw for the first month were really good, and I wanted to get on that wait list. So there is a wait list if you want to try to get this box for yourself. Before I get too much started, I do want to say welcome to my channel. I'm glad that you stopped by, and if you're brand new, please let me know in the comments that you're brand new. Okay, so I haven't even clipped it anywhere, and I have my handy dandy scissors, which I don't normally have, so I am Johnny on the spot this morning, if I can figure out where the box actually gets opened. As you can see out this window right here, it's just starting to take light outside, and this weekend was so pretty for us here in Nebraska. It was like my favorite kind of weather, which was like 72, 75-ish, and I loved it. Today it might be a little bit rainy, I'm not sure, but it's going to be 85, so it's warming back up just a little bit. All right, so I did cut the tape of the box now, finally, and you and me are gonna see it. I wanted to get this box out today. I don't normally post on Sunday, but I have a video that already has to go up tomorrow, and this was the last day I could do it to be able to call it a September unboxing. All right, so first thing I see here is this little card, and it says, with every box purchase, you're helping 1,736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. It's a non-profit organization based in LA. That is awesome. All right, and then I have here my card saying what's in the box. And then it's got this nice little tissue paper that says Fasionsta on it, and a sticker. So let's see what we got here. So that's what's in my box. I will tell you that I was in a live yesterday, and they were talking about one of the products that were in this box that has me just a little bit curious, we'll say. Curious is a good word. The top of the box says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of product to enjoy and love. That's what that says right there. So that's pretty cool. I think I was only on the wait list like the 1 month. So, all right. So first thing I'm gonna pull out of here is by Melanie Mills. Is it Hollywood? Gleam Body Radiance Corpse Radiant Gleam, maybe? I don't know if that's what that says. Okay, so let's read about it. Let's see. It's worth $18. Gleam Face and Body Radiance is a revolutionary all-in-one makeup, moisturizer, and glow you can use for your face and body. This long-lasting formula is perfect as a body glow, body shimmer, body bronzer, and body highlighter all in one. That's cool. Does it have a safety seal on it? It's got a safety seal on it, but I don't have any kind of body shimmer, so I put that right on there. So we're gonna check it out here. So that's what it looks like. I'll just rub it on my hand. Ooh, that is got some sparkle. Can y'all see? It's a little bit dark in here this morning, so I don't know if you guys can see, but it does have sparkle, so that's cool. And it smells pretty good. It doesn't have a bad scent, so that's nice. So $18, and I think I paid $19.99 for this box. You see it on my fingers here. Okay. Alrighty, next thing I'm gonna pull out, I'm not even really looking, I'm just feeling down here, kind of like I do in my Ipsy boxes or bags. I don't know what this is, because look, it's all black all the way around. I don't want to open it if it's mascara, so I hate to open mascara when I'm not ready to use it, but I don't know what it is. Ah, eyeliner. Ooh, that's a big felt tip. I love eyeliner, especially black. Oh, whoa, look at that. I wish I hadn't had eyeliner on this morning. I would try it out for you guys. Sometimes when I do unboxings, I don't put on my eye makeup and stuff, because sometimes there's palettes in there. But today I did, because I have to go to work. Let's see what that says. I don't even know who it's by. Oh, Kaylin. Jumbo liquid eyeliner worth $18. Achieve effortless control and dramatic definition with this ultra rich jumbo felt tip liquid eyeliner. I love liquid eyeliner. I think you're a liquid eyeliner girl or you're not. But I love it more than a pencil. The large tapered tip of the Kaylin Jumbo Liquid Eyeliner ensures bold, dramatic detailing. This easy glide, smudge-free liquid eyeliner adheres quickly to the skin for waterproof wear. I like that it's waterproof. Not that I'm going swimming a lot in Nebraska, but I still like it. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out. The product that I heard about in the live. Yeah, my box has the V cream in it. Beauty Mist for the V. We all know what the V is, right? I'm not going to have to say it out loud. Refreshed, revitalized, and perfect. Yeah, okay. Let's open the box. Just see. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's a pretty little bottle. Let's see what it smells like. I don't really think it smells like anything. Let's read about it. Maybe a little bit of a floral scent, but not like overpowering, which is good, I guess. Okay. The 2018 Pure Beauty Awards Bronze winner is a must-have for your daily beauty routine. Dedicated to the bikini area, this beauty serum, it's a serum, rejuvenates, revitalizes, and firms the skin, leaving it soft to the touch. Elderflower extract and bilberry helps brighten the skin, while sea buckhorn soothes and vitamin E conditions. For the best results, lightly dry the V, it says, the bikini line and visible skin of the triangle area. Apply a small drop of VV serum. So it's a spray, but it's a serum. The only luxury beauty mist. Okay. Well, there's that. I'm really excited to get that. Can you tell? No, actually, why not? Every part of the body has to get a little freshen up. All right, next thing I feel in my box is Hyaluronic Moisturizing Mask. There's the mask. And, the V serum. Whoa, that V serum is worth $54. That's insane. Wow. Okay. Lopko skin mask is worth $3. It's by the Korean skincare experts. Lopkos, the brand harnesses the finest on trend and I don't even know what that word is. Something ingredients. Advanced technologies. Oh, the rain is coming. I don't know if y'all can see it hitting the window right there, but it is raining now. All right, so there's the mask. Worth $3. All right, so I have 2 more items in here. The next one, this one's heavy. Teamy Detox Mask Green Tea Blend. Matcha, lemongrass, and clay. This is, well, tomorrow, the 30th, is going to be the last day for the makeup and beauty items out of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you have not checked out that video and entered to win that $80 worth of product, then go to this iCard up here at the end of the video, or there will be an end card for you. But it ends tomorrow at midnight, so don't forget to do that. But it's a green mask, and it is heavy. Let's see. It's worth $30. This mineral-rich green tea detox mask is a must-have in your self-care routine. Made with organic green tea, lemongrass, and bentonite clay. This mask is formulated to rid pores of impurities and replenish your skin. So that's awesome. Let's see if it has a, sometimes they'll have, yeah. Oh, it's open though, which I don't know if I did that or not, so. It smells like lemongrass. I love lemongrass. I think lemongrass is a very refreshing, like mint. They're both really refreshing on your skin, and just the smell of anything lemongrass. Awesome. And it's a clay mask, so we'll be doing that. All right, then the last thing in my box is by Real Her, and it says Embrace Yourself, and it's a shadow palette. So let's see if I can get this open without cutting myself. Am I the only one that saves the boxes for their eyeshadow palettes? I'm just curious, because I'm always struggling to put them back in and take them out every time, but I don't know, I like to keep the outside as clean as possible, and so I put it back in the box every time. Ooh, those are pretty colors. Those are really pretty. Aw. Let's see. And Real Her is a company started by a dad for women. Let's see. Empowering women. The eyeshadow palette offers 9 motivating and empowering shades in 4 finishes: matte, sheen, a shimmer, and a metallic. Each of these natural shades easily blend and never crease, and can create any eye look you desire. This palette offers rich, true color pigment payoff with each swipe of an application. So there they are again. Let's swatch a couple of them. Let's swatch Harmony. That looks like a good one to swatch. Can y'all hear that rain? And Adored. So I did these 2. That one and that one. I'm sorry it's so dark. They do look a little better. And we'll do Respect up here in the corner. Oh, that's a pretty nice foundation type shade right there. It's so dark in here, so I'm hoping y'all can see. And then we're going to try this orange color just because it looks very fall. And we're going to see what it's like. Just swatch it up here. Oh! Wow. And that blends out. really nice. Awesome. And I don't know if I said, but it's worth $28. So, oh, my favorite thing on the card here, it tells me at the bottom how much it's worth, the box, so that, no, my nose itches, so that I don't have to stop the video and go and figure out how much everything cost altogether. So it's $151 value. Whoa, Nelly, for $19.99. So just a recap, we have the palette, we have the V serum, we have the eyeliner, which I love getting eyeliners, and we have the Melanie and Mills Disco Gold Body Radiance. And last but not least, oh no, two more things. We got a hyaluronic mask, and then we have this mask too, the detox mask, which is in lemongrass and just smells so good. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for $151 value, and I only paid $19.99. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item is. Let me know also if you are on the wait list or off the wait list and you're getting this box. And if this video was really dark, I think I have my like the filter, you know, the light filter down. I do that at night when I go to bed, so it's not so bright. And so I think that's why it looks so dark to me. So I'm probably all through this video been like, hey, sorry if this is really dark for you guys, but it just occurred to me that that's probably why it looks dark to me, because I didn't take that light filter and slide it back to a brighter screen. It's early, like 8:15 in the morning. All right, so now I'm gonna go make my breakfast and my lunch for today for work. I hope everybody has a lovely day. I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. I do all kinds of unboxings, cooking, lifestyle videos. I do it all around here just about. So hope you'll stay tuned, and don't forget to go and check out the last 2 days of the Ipsy giveaway in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus video. All right, bye.